Alright, today we have a really beautiful free lookup table named 35mm Portrait. It's a nice film emulation. We're going to take a look at that, and then we're going to jump into some professional lookup tables. And for this demo, we're using Photoshop, but you can use this in any other video editing software, such as DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere, and Final Cut Pro. Let's take a look at our free lookup table. Here's before, and here's after. Before, after, really nice film emulation LUT. And what I'll do is I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. Now we can take a look at some professional lookup tables. I have loaded them into Photoshop under Adjustments, Color Lookup, 3D LUT, and here we have some Agfa, Fuji, and we have Kodak as well, but we're going to go to, let's go with Rovia. So there's different variations. Let's go to the film. Nice cool version there, but let's go with this one right here. That looks really nice. Cool thing is you can always adjust the opacity, and pretty much any video editing software will have this feature. You can find that perfect balance. Let's go right about there. Looks great. There's before and there's after. Before and after. Really beautiful film emulation lookup table. Alright, again, I'll leave a link down below so you can download the free lookup table, and I'll also leave a link down below to the Pro lookup table collection. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.